Everyone, we presents Color of Festivity 2.0. We have a different kind of collection today and tomorrow, 7th and 8th July in Almira Gallery. We have chaniya cholis, we have kids wear, we have jewelry, fusion, angel and anti-tarnish jewelry. We have Indo-Western dresses, we have traditional dresses, then we have Lucknowi dresses too. So kindly swipe left to see the collection.
So next up we have a brand that has kids collection as well as Indo-Western. Yes,
so brand Mohini here.
Yes.
From the age group of 3 months to 16 years. We have ethnic wear.
Yes.
We have chaniya cholis.
Okay.
Then we have summer collection also.
Alright. Look at that. Look at the pieces that they have for children. Lovely.
Chaniya choli.
Wow. Okay.
In all the sizes.
Alright. 3 months से लेके 16 years तक आपको collection मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. Lovely. Something for all the teenage girls out there. Okay. And then they also have few semi-festive pieces. Look at that. Lovely.
On this we have flat 15% off.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. Hi, my name is Devanshi. This is my brand Inara.
Okay.
So we have tops in AD silver base.
Okay.
Pendant booties like these.
Lovely.
Silver base pendant booties.
Okay.
Bracelets.
Loose bracelets as well. आपको यहाँ पे set options भी मिल जाएंगे. Look at that. They have kadas.
Single pieces.
Single piece kada also. बहुत सारी rings के option मिल जाएंगे. Then they have imitation jewelry. Look at that. Just look at the pieces that they have.
We also have 9 to 5 waist collection.
Okay. Just look at the beautiful pieces. Then उनके पास German silver के भी बहुत सारे options हैं. All unique pieces. Something more in earrings and necklaces as well as earring set भी है उनके पास. Next up we have brand Violet and they are specializing in customization. So look at their kurta set pieces. Detailing भी उनकी बहुत सुंदर है. They have lovely color options as well. As you can see, they customize in any color, any size. Look at that. They have lovely pieces और उनकी price range is between 3500 to 4000. I think it's definitely worth it if you want to get something customized for your festivities. रक्षा बंधन में अगर आपको किसी को gift करना है, you want to buy it for yourself. Lovely piece options that they have. Colors भी बहुत vibrant है. Look at that. Lovely. And as you can see, they have patterns, designs, material of all varieties. Something in spaghetti also they are offering. Just look at that. Lovely. This is brand Damsel and they have a lovely collection for Indo-Western. Hello ma'am.
Hello. Indo-Western. This one is cord set. Totally handwork.
Okay. Handwork the cord set है. Color options भी आपको मिल जाएंगे.
Yes, color options भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. This one is a Indo-Western gown with jacket.
Alright, Indo-Western gown.
With cape and skirt.
Look at that.
This one is something new with pearl work.
Okay, something unique also.
Also this one, unique cords with pearl work.
Okay, alright.
Also this one is
and then they have traditional में suit pieces
suit
also.
pieces with pure chanderi mal.
Okay.
Anarkalis.
Okay. Look at that. And then उनके पास यहाँ पे
This is brand Prismatic Jewels. They got a great response on these type of ear cuff earrings. They have more such pieces. Look at this. Jura buns के लिए they have that. Only earrings options and they have kadas. Again, super cute clutches पूरे. Now, their Rakhi just starts from 50 rupees, जिसमें आपको evil eye में है, छोटे छोटे cute handmade राखीज मिल जाएगी. Then we have of course beautiful collection for long neck pieces, short में brass jewelry, stone and anti tarnish as well. हेलो, दिस इज ब्रांड
ब्रास्क।
यस। क्या क्या है हमारे पास?
हमारे पास चनिया चोलीज है।
हाँ, बहुत ही सुंदर चनिया चोली है। लुक एट दिस।
ड्रेसेस है।
नाइस।
ये है वेडिंग कलेक्शन।
ओह वाओ, प्रिटी।
इसमें कलर्स भी मिल जाएंगे,
हाँ,
कस्टमाइज भी हो जाता है हमारे पास।
ये पूरे सेक्शन में आपको अप टू 50% ऑफ मिलेगा।
Next up we have brand Ashi Creation and they are offering flat 50% on this rack. Hello ma'am.
Hello, so we have some pieces like this. This is a draped sari, something
Look
with plazo
at that.
blouse and a jacket.
Steal deal girls. Okay, lovely.
Then we have more options in quads.
Okay, look at that. Lovely.
Then something in 2 pieces.
Okay. Beautiful.
Something in 3 piece. And next we have something in heavy. These are in 20% off.
Okay, ये भी 20% में आपको मिल जाएंगे. Look at the pieces. Very pretty. All
Then we
different
have
colors.
dupattas as well. These are for 1500 only.
Okay.
So this is brand Sadgi by Sanjana. Hello.
We have this kind of anarkalis.
Oh, pretty. Nice. They are into customization as well. Size and color हो जाता है. And work करवाना हो different kind तो वो भी हो जाता है. They have few pieces जिसमें flat 50% off भी है. So you can check those out. Look at it. And they have a mix of collection. थोड़ा traditional है, Indo-Western है, 2 piece there. They have dresses, quads, literally everything. Oh wow, look at that. पूरा fusion में भी है, neck work, पूरा different style में, flowy. Nice. Oh, look at this in tissue.
Banarsi kurtas.
Okay.
Indo-Western short dresses.
Pretty.
Kaftan dresses.
We have a beautiful brand here. Hi.
Hi.
Your brand name?
મારું બ્રાન્ડનું નામ છે સ્ટુડિયો બી બાય બિરવા પટેલ.
Yes.
હું નવરાત્રી કલેક્શન લઈને આવી છું. કસ્ટમાઇઝ બધામાં થઈ જશે. એઝ યુ કેન સી આઈ હેવ સમથિંગ ડિફરન્ટ
Super
for
pretty.
this નવરાત્રી. Thank you. So I have different collection of chanias this time.
Yes.
મારી પાસે 10 મીટરથી લઈને 15 મીટર ઘેર સુધીના ચણિયા છે. આ છે 15 મીટર ઘેરનો ચણિયો છે.
Okay.
આ જોર્જેટમાં છે 12 મીટર ઘેરનો ચણિયો છે. એમાં બહુ બધા કલર્સ અવેલેબલ છે.
Yes.
આ છે 10 મીટર ઘેરના ચણિયા છે. આમાં તમે ઈચ્છો તો નીચેથી એડ કરાવી શકો છો.
Okay.
એમાં બી કલર્સ અવેલેબલ છે. અને આ વખતે અમારા અતરંગી ચણિયા પણ અવેલેબલ છે with different color combination and amazing gotapatti things.
Beautiful.
So and we have one more color here
Very
also.
pretty. Then we have blouses.
We have that mirror blouse. We have that multicolor blouse. And we have this kind of gotapatti blouse.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Your brand name?
6 Yard Journey.
Yes, ma'am. Saris. So
Saris,
yes, we have different
saris,
kind of saris. Let's look at few.
ये आसामीज है, हैंड वोवन है ये साड़ी आसामीज.
Okay.
इसमें मेरे पास कलर्स और डिजाइन रहेंगे नए नए. फिर मेरे पास हैंडवर्क वाली साड़ियाँ हैं. ये टिश्यू लिनन है, ये भी हैंड वोवन है.
Very nice.
ये हैंडवर्क वाली रहेगी. हाँ. ये साड़ी ब्लाउज का कॉम्बो रहेगा मेरे पास.
जो बेस्ट सेलर है इनका साड़ीज और
साड़ी का
ब्लाउज का कॉम्बो होते हैं. वेरी नाइस.
ये
लिनन.
हाँ नहीं, ये मल में सितारा
मल.
कलेक्शन है.
Okay.
ये भी बहुत अच्छा रहता है.
प्रिटी.
हाँ
ये भी बहुत
हाँ
सुंदर
ये
है.
काथा वर्क है. ये पैच वर्क में है मेरे पास. हाँ ये मेरे पास कॉटन में डेली वेयर के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी साड़ियाँ है. इसमें भी मेरे पास बहुत अच्छी साड़ियाँ है.